Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Easter basket Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to start with one of these pink plastic baskets. It's actually really pretty on its own, and we're going to make this into a little Easter basket. I did want to add a little Easter trim to it, so I'm using one of those little trim packs from the Dollar Tree, the Easter aisle, of the little bunnies. They're like little pink and white gingham bunnies, super cute. And I'm just going to hot glue those to the top here just to give this basket, which is already cute, just a little bit of Easter flair. I just tack it on with some hot glue here and there so you could pop that off and be able to reuse the basket because it would be a really cute little storage basket as well. And I love Easter baskets that you can repurpose for other things like storage. So that looks pretty cute. I'm going to tack it down right here so it stays even. And now let's start filling this Easter basket with Dollar Tree finds. I found some pink and white gingham bunny ears, essential for an Easter basket, right? We're going to be doing this Easter basket for a child. Some pink and white, I like the paper shreds. I think they're a little bit prettier than the grass. Is going to go with our color scheme on this one. I always like to pick a color, but I also like to do some like fun girly things for this one. So I found like some unicorn cross stitch, some little hair barrettes. We're going to do some bubbles from the Dollar Tree, a little game. These little 10 games are fun. Maybe some Peeps lip balm, very fun for Easter and a fun item for the basket. We're going to do some pink and purple little bunny rabbit candy, some Peeps, lollipops, and some pink Peeps, of course. And then I always like to do some filled eggs. I always think that's fun. These are the little white and pink Easter bunnies from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to fill this up with some Dollar Tree candy. So this isn't a very large basket, but this would be a great basket for like a niece or a granddaughter, something like that. And then I'm going to use one of the little shrink wrap bags from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes you can find these even in an Easter theme. I found them in the clear plastic. You get two in a package. And we're going to actually just put the entire basket down in here and be able to shrink wrap this on. I've also used just like cling wrap when I haven't been able to find these bags from the Dollar Tree. And if you use a heat gun or a blow dryer, you can really kind of shrink them on your own. Works really well, inexpensive. But this time I was able to find the bags. I just wrap it around here to the very top, tie that off with some twine here, and we're going to remove the excess plastic here on the top. And now it's time to shrink wrap it. I'm going to use my heat gun. You could always use a blow dryer if you didn't have a heat gun, and shrink wrap it to the basket. It looks so professional, and you can customize it, for whoever you're giving it to. I always like to DIY my own baskets because you can customize it. I'm going to finish it off with one of the little pink curly bows. These are like in with like the gift bags and stuff like that at Dollar Tree to really up the pink factor and make it look fun. Attaching that there to the bag where I tied it shut. This was such a fun, easy basket to put together. All the supplies were from the Dollar Tree and a fun little Easter gift. This is how it turned out. If you would like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting!